All right, so there's Lazaro's. We are at 18th and South. If you want to get the sign there, 18th and South. And then here's the pizza box. So the pizza slices are pretty large. They actually were very fresh today. They were like, they had everything. Everything looked like it was fresh at the oven today. So I love this pizza. I've had it before. I'm going to put this in the wall, though. So I get the buffalo chicken. So a lot of places they use blue cheese crumbles. This place does not. They use blue cheese dressing. Looks like a good amount of chicken, fried chicken. Okay. I love it. I love it. It has a great amount of crunch. Nice. You can fold it up. It's not greasy at all. There's no grease coming out whatsoever. This is Stacy's veggie pie. I'll leave that for Stacy. This is a little bit thicker. You can see the crust. The crust is a little bit thicker. This one's definitely filling. I love their sauce. Pizza sauce. I absolutely love it. It's very sweet, nice and sweet. I don't know. They might put carrots or something in it. Like, I don't know. Sugar. It's sweet. Same thing. No grease. There's no grease coming out. As you can see, the dough is nice and fluffy. There's air bubbles in it. You can see it's nice and crunchy. You can fold it, and it doesn't really make a mess. But this pizza's thick, so I'm probably going to need a nap later. Okay. Cheers. There's sauce everywhere. Napkins. Tons of napkins. I'm making a mess with my mess. I have sauce everywhere. I might need a shower before my nap today. And oh, very good. Awesome. I absolutely love it. Love it. All right.